Hey there, thank you here with you today. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the world of coding one byte at a time. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button and join our coding crew. Today we are tackling a hot topic. Is W3schools.com worth your time for learning web development? Let's get into it. So you probably stumbled upon W3schools.com if you ever googled anything about HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. It's pretty much everywhere. But the big question is it actually good for your learning? First things first, W3schools is great for the basics. If you need a quick reference or a simple example of how something works, it's got your back. Think of it as a quick start guide, nothing too deep, but enough to get you going. Here are 3 things I love about W3schools. Quick reference guide, simplicity, and beginner friendly. Need to check a method or a command? W3schools have handy lists, especially for HTML, CSS, and SQL. It's super straightforward, little text, lots of examples, perfect if you're just starting out. It's a solid resource if you're just getting your feet wet into the coding world. But it's not all rainbows and unicorns. It lacks depth, outdated practices, and not comprehensive. If you're looking to really understand the ins and outs of a programming language, W3schools isn't gonna cut it. It's very surface level. Some examples and practices might not be up to date with the latest standards. Always cross-check with other resources. You won't find in-depth guides or detailed explanations here. For that, you will need to look elsewhere. So, what are the alternatives if you want to dig deeper? MDN web docs are made for web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. MDN is the gold standard. It's more detailed, more up to date, and just overall more comprehensive. But there are tons of other learning platforms like Free Code Camp, Code Academy, and Coursera that offers more in-depth courses and tutorials. In my opinion, W3schools is like the handy little pocket guide, good for quick checks and basic learning, but you will know when it's time to move on. Use it to get started, but don't rely on it as your only resource. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other resources you use for learning code. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update on this channel. Catch you in the next video and happy coding. Peace out.